This is a review for the HapAttend standalone fingerprint and RFID time attendance system. It doesn't need the internet, uses your fingerprint or the 5 included RFID cards that can be used to sign in. PIN, password, it converts to an Excel sheet, and it comes with a USB stick to be able to transfer. So you can have people clock in and out, and then take your little USB that's provided and transfer the data over, and it will put it into an Excel sheet for you, which you can then take credit for making. You've got your power adapter here. You can attach it to the wall, or it comes with this little guy that you can use to make it a desktop feature. You've got your user manual here. It's all very clearly laid out. I have not messed with it because I don't want the person that's going to be using it to have to go back and reset it. But this is it. It feels really quality. It's a really neat thing. Like, you've got your fingerprint sensor here. It's not plugged in to power on. Like I said, I don't want them to have to reset it before they use it. I don't want to get in here and mess things up. But you've got everything you need here. And I think this thing is really cool. My husband does construction work, supervising job sites. And this would really come in handy. I don't know if they're going to company-wide start using it, but I do think if you're a private contractor or someone who works on job sites or does whatever where you want to be able to keep up more with more than just your guys filling out a timesheet and putting whatever they want on there, you could use this. It's definitely an investment. If I was running a job, I would definitely want this because people get creative with their timesheets. If you know, you know. All right.